Jeff Locklear with H&H Color Lab, and I want to introduce you to a new feature in hhschools. We've just added the ability to save address information that you enter into the dropship dialogues that you'll find on a package order, a proof order, or a service item order. So we're looking at the dialog to create a package order, and one of the options that I need to select is to have this particular order drop shipped to a specific address. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my address information here. Now that I've added my address information, I can choose to save this information to the address book, or if I don't want to save it, I can just click OK and it'll be applied to the order. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and save it so it's saved to my address book, and click OK so it's used for this particular package order. So now I'm going to create a service item order to be shipped to the same school as the package order was. So I'm on my service item order dialog, and I'm going to select my drop ship option, and you see there's a down arrow now that's next to the ship to field, and when you click on it, it will display a list of the ship to names that are in the address book that have been saved. I'm going to select Central High School, and you can see all the data that I entered previously and saved is there to be applied for this particular order. But the school has told me that they don't want this sent to Tom Holloway. They want me to send it to the IT department. So I'm going to type in IT department. And if I just want to apply this shipping information for this order only and not affect the address book, you don't want to click the save button and just click OK. But if you do want to save this new address information and update the current record, when you click save, a pop-up message will indicate, do you want to save and update the current record? I'm going to say yes, click OK, and now that information for Central High School has been updated to the attention of the IT department. So there's one more very convenient feature to this new address book, and that is we've given you the ability to change the location of where the address book is being saved. So now in System Configuration, you'll see there's an address book data folder. By default, it's going to put it in the default location where the application lives. But if you want to, you can browse out and put it on the network and point all workstations to the same location so that all workstations can share the information that's in one common address book.